Hello everyone. Contracts are not just about promises. It's also about protection. And what's this limitation of liability clause? That's your legal secret. Let's just quickly understand the clause of limitation liability. This is a part of contract where the parties agrees to bar or cap the damages one can claim from the another if things go wrong. The clause is not specifically mentioned in the Indian Contract Act, but its essence can be determined from Section 74, which deals with the compensation when the contract gets breached, and the amount is predetermined here, which is the very essence of limitation of liability clause. But there is a caveat. Under Section 23 of the Indian Contract Act, if the clause is unfair, immoral, or against the public policy, it becomes unenforceable. Now let's understand this clause with a very simple example. Let's imagine that there is a contractor who appoints painting subcontractor for a big commercial project, and the contract says that if the contractor is fired in the future, the painter subcontractor will not get the lost profit. Later, the contractor got fired and the painter lost his opportunity of profit. This is a clause of exclusion of liability. Now let's just take this example with a different clause. The contractor states that if the general contractor is fired, then the painter subcontractor can only claim up to 15% of the lost profit. This is the case of limitation of liability, where the contractor accepts some liability but only to a specified value. Hence, this clause balances the interest of both the parties when fairly drafted, and it says that I am only responsible to a certain extent. So remember, limitation of liability clause is not about escaping the accountability, but it's all about managing risk, protecting the relationship, and keeping the business moving even when things goes wrong. Thank you.